Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the HiccUP. Brought to you by Gorilla Graphic Studios, and I am your host, GorillaKoJack, and here I have my co-host. Alright, and we're going to call this the Pizza Challenge. Someone sitting in the car said they could talk about pizza for 5 minutes.
I can, and I will.
Okay, so not only is it known as the food of the gods, yes, the food of college, which we don't know nothing about yet, and obviously dessert or breakfast of champions, and what else? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles' favorite food. But what else?
Sweet goodness.
Delicious what?
And all the toppings you can get with stuffed crust. You can get stuffed crust, you can get low crust.
Low crust, low crust. How about sardines?
Ew, that's disgusting. You can get that on pizza, you're weird.
Why? There's plenty of people who eat pizza with sardines.
Pepperoni, sausage.
Okay.
Eggs. Broccoli.
Eggs?
They have buffalo pizza. It's so good. It depends on where you get it from. Like, if it's Old Granny and Pop Place are always going to be better than, the name brand. Like,
Mom and Pop Place, not Granny. Not Granny and Pops. I mean,
Granny and Pops. Whatever.
Mom and Pop
Granny
shops.
and Grams. Like Pizza Hut.
Mom and Pop shops.
Whatever. I call them Grannies.
Alright, Granny and Pop shops.
Places like that. Whole Foods. They got nice pizza.
I want some pizza, young lad.
And the sizes are good too. Like, you get a big pizza. You eat it when you're stressed. Like, pizza always helps with
Eating
stress.
pizza when you're stressed. What a great recommendation.
Eating pizza when you're stressed. Like yesterday, I said 7 pieces of pizza. I had no reason, but I just did. It was good. And that was from...
It was not a pretty sight.
It was Little Caesars.
It was not a pretty sight.
It was Little Caesars.
It was doughy. It was doughy pizza. So
No, it wasn't.
I mean,
It was pretty good.
We can't.
It wasn't the best that I've had, but it was pretty good.
I think mom and pop shops are always going to be the best pizza.
Yes, that is true.
Yeah, and then there's the old iconic battle of what is better, Chicago style pizza or New York style pizza.
New York style.
Deep dish. Chicago's like deep dish pizza.
New York style is better.
New York style.
And then you can get the little breadsticks that come on.
But you know that's up for debate depending on who's out there and where you're
of
from.
course everybody has different opinions, but personally I like New York style.
Okay.
I've never had Chicago style, but I'm pretty
You've had deep dish pizza. It's just a deep dish. It's just known as it's the deep dish pizza. You've had deep dish pizza.
Now, I know a lot of people also eat pizza differently. They eat it straight, they eat the crust first. But New York people, they fold it in half so it makes less of a mess when they eat it. And then it's like you can get different levels of cheese, or different types of cheese. You can get mozzarella, you can get spicy cheese. You can get normal cheese pizza. Why would I say Velveeta?
I don't know, but Velveeta macaroni and cheese pizza.
Velveeta macaroni and cheese pizza.
How about this, guys? I'm gonna go here with you. Cheetos crusted macaroni and cheese pizza. Why not?
Oh yeah, and the s'mores pizza, they have that like Busch Garden stuff. That's
S'mores pizza?
Yeah, they have s'mores pizza. It doesn't have any like sauce on it. It's like the sauce is supposed to be chocolate and marshmallow and stuff like that.
It's not a pizza if it's chocolate.
Yeah, but it has a little crust in it. Never mind. Anyway,
Okay.
it's just, there's so many different types, and then you can just keep layering on the toppings. Mushrooms. I can't stand mushrooms on pizza. It's disgusting. I can't stand mushrooms at all, actually. But I do love cheese.
Why?
pizza.
Mushrooms on pizza is not bad.
I don't like mushrooms.
Oh, you don't like veggie pizzas?
I like cheese pizza. That's my favorite, okay? The original.
Classic cheese pizza.
Classic cheese pizza. I like it when it's cheesy. Greasy, it's okay.
I don't like greasy pizza.
I don't like, New York style is kind of greasy.
Yeah, but you always got to kind of like
good.
fold it in half and drip it down. You don't necessarily want to eat all that grease. It's not good for you. You know
I know
that, right?
it's not good, but
You know, pizza's actually really not a good food for you, right? It's actually pretty terrible.
pretty good.
Tastes good,
Tastes good.
but it is pretty bad for you. You shouldn't go
What
crazy.
isn't in this world anymore? So, I mean, come on now.
Well, say that again. I think you just told me. Anyway, so is there anything bad about pizza?
That depends on where you get it from.
You know what's bad about pizza?
What?
Late delivery. And with that, I'm gonna say peace out, guys. I'll talk to you later.
Let Baby Driver deliver it.